fries. Cut potatoes with the help of the French fries cutting machine, 1.3 centimeters thick. In bowl, add water, potato fries and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes. In pot, add water, salt and heat it to boiling point. Add potato fries and leave for 6 to 8 minutes. Now pat dry potato fries with the help of the kitchen towel or paper and let them cool. Can be freeze in Ziploc bag for up to 1 to 2 weeks. In pot, heat oil and fry potato fries for 2 to 3 minutes and rest it for 5 minutes. Heat oil and again fry potato fries until crispy and set aside. Chicken tikka flavor, in bowl, add tikka masala, yogurt, ginger garlic paste and whisk well. Chicken fillet, mix well and marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. In frying pan, add oil and chicken fillet, basting with remaining marinade and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Water, cover and cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn and cook other side until done. Turn off the flame, shred the chicken with the help of the fork. Turn on the flame and sauté for 1 minute and set aside. Assembly. In small frying pan or baking tray, add potato tomato fries, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, pizza sauce, cooked chicken, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, onion, capsicum, jalapenos, tomato, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, black olives, red chili crushed and dried oregano. Bake in preheated oven at 180°C for 8 to 10 minutes or until cheese melts.